Are you looking for the best resin 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best resin 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Photon Mono 4K 3D Printer. Mono 4K has a 3840 x 2400 print solution, 35 micrometers pixels and 7% light transmittance, which could deliver highly detailed prints. The single layer curing time is as low as 1.5 seconds, and the printing speed can reach 50 mm per hour, with an impressive print speed at 5 cm per hour. 1.97 inches per hour. An iCubic Photon Mono 4K can print a typical 12 cm / 4.7 inches model in 2.5 hours, which takes 3.5 hours less than an iCubic. Photon's 6 hours, and 30 minutes less than its rivals' 3 hours. Fast printing saves your time wasted on waiting. Mono 4K uses a monochrome screen with a contrast of more than 350. The high contrast makes the image in the exposure area more accurate and the print edges more delicate, thus improving the printing quality and success rate, and greatly reducing the residue in resin vat. An iCubic Photon Mono 4K is equipped with an industry-leading screen with 7% light transmittance, which is 250% higher than an iCubic Photon and its rivals' 2%. High light transmittance makes quick forming possible. In order to better protect its premium screen, an iCubic Photon Mono 4K added a dedicated and replay seal anti-scratch film above the screen itself, making that expensive screen much more durable than its rivals. 15 brightly light AirPlay seed into matrix to make you pay powerful and parallel light source. Soft that an iCubic Photon Mono 4K can provide greater than 90% light uniformity and 27,320 lux power density to each layer, making fast printing possible. The printing space of 132 mm by 80 mm by 165 mm is large enough to turn your creative ideas into reality. With 30% to 100% light power regulation, an iCubic Photon Mono 4K supports not only ordinary 405 nanometers UV resins, but also special resins, making it compatible to more materials and environments. In addition, adjusting the light power appropriately can extend the lifespan of both the screen and light significantly. Number 2. Photon Mono X 6K LCD 3D Printer. Any iCubic Photon Mono X 6K is equipped with a large 9.25 screen, which is 185% larger than any iCubic Photon's 5.5 screen, 138% larger than a common 6 screen, and 8% larger than Photon Mono X and its rivals 8.9 in screen area. With 5760 by 3600 px resolution, any iCubic Photon Mono X 6K's screen has a total number of over 20 million pixels, which is 125% higher than any iCubic Photon Mono X and its rivals' 4K resolution screen. Adopting an industry-leading screen with 350:1 contrast ratio, 75% higher than any iCubic Photon X and its rivals' 200:1. Any iCubic Photon Mono X 6K provides your 3D models with extremely sharp and clear edges and corners. 40 bright LED lights are placed into a matrix to make up a powerful and parallel light source, so that any iCubic Photon Mono X 6K can provide 90% light uniformity and 44,395 lux power density to each layer, making fast printing possible. In order to better protect its premium screen, any iCubic Photon Mono X 6K added a dedicated and replaceable anti-scratch film above the screen itself, making that expensive screen much more durable than its rivals. With an impressive print speed at 8 cm per hour / 3.15 inches per hour, any iCubic Photon Mono X can print a typical 12 cm, 4.7 inches model in 1.5 hours, which takes 4.5 hours less than any cubic Photon's 6 hours, and 1.5 hours less than its rival's 3 hours. With 30% to 100% light power regulation, any cubic Photon Mono X6K supports not only ordinary 405 nanometers UV resins, but also special resins, making it compatible to more materials and environments. Number 3. Creality 3D UW01 3D Printer. UW01 all-in-one washing and curing machine adopts a special control system, which support one step to finish the model post-process. The curing size can reach 165 by 200, and the mirror surface treatment of the turntable makes the model better. With built-in LED beads, 18 pieces of UV LED lights, the machine is compatible with most of resin printers. The double-row 9-bead design with a higher irradiated area realizes quick curing and even irradiation for the larger model. 360°C curing tray with magnetic force and reflective mirror make full use of the light source, which cures the model all the angle. 190 by 154 by 200 washing container size. It support larger size models for cleaning. With a sealed container and lid, it avoids cleaning solution volatilization and also stores the cleaning solution for the repeated use. With 3-gear speed mode, it includes washing and curing. The washing and curing time has 2 to 90 minutes optional. Delicate models come from the curing and washing. Equipped with touch-sensitive buttons and LED large-size screen, the machine gives you a premium experience. Once the machine cover is removed during the curing process, it will immediately suspend the curing, which avoids light source glare and reduces light pollution. A feature that supports washing and curing models. With 3-gear speed mode, it includes washing and curing. The washing and curing time has 2 to 90 minutes optional. Delicate models come from curing and washing. Number 4. Mini Heater Phrozen Mini 3D Printer. 3D Printer Mini Heater designed for 3D printers. It is small but powerful, for use in cold weather. It helps you to heat up the resin and rise the ambient temperature. Make your 3D printer work well, save your time and resin material. Our temperature controller used in cold weather, when temperature lower than 75 F/24C, will cause so many problems in LCD DLP 3D print, such as print not sticking to the bed, layer adhesion, warming, and so on. Finally, printing fails. Our heater can rise temperature fast. Our 3D printer heater built-in high-precision temperature sensor, accurate to 0.1 C, fireproof case, high-quality power cord, all professionally designed for your safe printing. Our 3D printer thermostat 10.8 by 5.7 by 3. 2 centimeters / 4.25 by 5.24 by 1.25 in, 117 grams, perfect for 815-inch LCD, DLP 3D printer. It only takes 10 minutes from 40F to 80F, for use in cold weather. 3D printer air controller contains 3 functions, one is heating, one is air circulation, and the other is filtering. When the temperature is lower than the set temperature, start heating. When the temperature reaches the set temperature, start fan circulation. Built in a small activated carbon filters, which can filter odor,